Today we have something really exciting to talk about. It's JBL SA550 Classic review. This speaker might look like something out of a vintage album cover, but don't let its retro design fool you. It packs some serious punch under the hood. Stick around as we dive into everything you need to know about this classic beauty. Technology and features. The JBL SA550 Classic is packed with premium features that make it a compelling option for serious audio enthusiasts. Class G amplification. The amplifier utilizes Class G technology, which dynamically switches power rails to deliver greater efficiency and lower distortion. This results in clearer, more dynamic sound even at high volumes without excessive heat generation. High-resolution DAC. The built-in ESS S550 Sabre DAC supports up to 24-bit, 192 kHz audiophiles. Provides clean digital to analog conversion for superior sound clarity when using digital sources. Bluetooth with aptX adaptive. Includes Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX adaptive codec, enabling wireless high-resolution streaming from mobile devices without noticeable latency or compression loss. Comprehensive connectivity. Digital inputs. 2x optical, 2x coaxial. Analog inputs. 1x RCA stereo. Preamp output for subwoofer or external amplification. No phono stage, so vinyl users need an external phono preamp. Performance. The JBL SA550 Classic offers refined, energetic, and highly dynamic sound. Its power and control are especially impressive for an amplifier of this size and style. Power output, 90 W per channel at 8 ohms, 150 W at 4 ohms. Sound signature, clear highs, warm mids, and tight controlled bass. Imaging, excellent stereo separation with a wide holographic soundstage. Detail retrieval, outstanding with high-resolution digital content. Every nuance is audible. Musical styles. Performs exceptionally well across genres including classical, jazz, rock, and electronic. Design and build quality. One of the most eye-catching aspects of the SA550 Classic is its retro-inspired design, which blends seamlessly into both modern and vintage setups. Key design elements. Walnut veneer side panels reminiscent of 1960s hi-fi gear, aluminum front panel with tactile knobs and toggle switches, classic VU meter-inspired LED display, solid build with high-end finishing, minimalist aesthetic with a subtle blend of analog charm and modern elegance, weight and dimensions. Weight, approx. 9.1 kilos. Dimensions, 449 mm x 143 mm x 327 mm. It's a moderately heavy amplifier thanks to the robust internal components and quality construction, a reassuring trait for audiophiles seeking durability. Price. Retail price, around $2,000 USD. Availability, available through JBL's official site, specialty audio retailers, and select online platforms. While it's positioned in the premium range, the SA550 Classic delivers substantial value through its sound performance, aesthetics, and build quality. Pros: vintage look, modern tech, clean Class G power, high-res DAC. Cons: no phono stage, only one RCA input.